How to make Instagram private after making it a business account. Now, let's say right here, this is a personal account, and if I click on these three lines on the upper corner, and then click on account privacy, as you can see, it is on private mode. So when you're on your personal account, you will be able to make this account private. However, if it is a business account, let's switch account like right here. As you can see, this is a business account. And if I click on these three lines right here and click on account privacy, it won't make this business account private because every business account and creator account is a public account that can be seen by everyone. This is also because insights are being executed to this kind of account. Now, if you want to change your business account into a personal account, all you have to do is to click on Professional Dashboard, click on this settings right here, scroll down and click on Creator or Business. You just have to scroll down and click on Switch Account Type and click on Switch to Personal Account. Now, once you go back, you're on Personal Account. So that's how to make Instagram private after making it a business account.